Imagine this, you've got $100,000. Instead of letting it sit in a bank earning crumbs, what if you could turn it into millions? No complicated stock charts, no endless research, just smart strategic investments in the right Fidelity Index Funds. Sounds intriguing, right? In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerhouse Fidelity Index Funds that could help transform your $100,000 into a portfolio worth millions. Stick around and I'll show you which fund can potentially grow to over $20 million. Ready? Let's dive in. Why Fidelity Index Funds? Investing isn't just about picking the biggest names or chasing high returns. It's about strategy. The funds I'm sharing are handpicked based on growth potential, dividend yield, sector performance, long-term stability. Each fund has the power to boost your portfolio significantly, whether you're aiming for steady income or explosive growth. Number 5, Fidelity MSCI Consumer Staples Index ETF, ticker FSTA. Think essentials, everyday goods people rely on, like food and household products. Top holdings, Procter & Gamble, Costco, Walmart, Coca-Cola, some of the most resilient companies no matter the economy. Dividend yield, 2.39%. Historical returns, average annual return of 6.41%. If you invest $100,000 in FSTA, in 10 years, your portfolio could grow to $243,700. In 30 years, it could balloon to $2.34 million, generating $165,000 in yearly dividends. Number 4, Fidelity MSCI Consumer Discretionary Index ETF, DF, focuses on non-essential luxuries like Amazon, Tesla, and Home Depot, industries that soar in strong economies. It's all about growth and innovation. Dividend yield, 0.76%. Historical returns, average annual return of 16%. Investing $100,000 FDIS could mean 10 years, around $350,900, 30 years, a staggering $3.13 million with $20,000 in annual dividends. Number 3, Fidelity MSCI Healthcare Index, ETF. The healthcare sector is always in demand, making this fund a mix of growth and security. Top companies Eli Lilly, Johnson & Johnson, and United Health Group. Dividend yield, 1.26%. Historical returns, average annual return of 9.24%. Your $100,000 investment, 10 years, grows to $283,300. 30 years, reaches $3.96 million with nearly $33,500 in yearly dividends. Number 2, Fidelity Nasdaq Composite Index ETF, ONQ. A tech-heavy fund that tracks industry leaders like Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft. Bet on the future with this fund's focus on innovation and disruption. Dividend yield, 0.64%. Historical returns, average annual return of 14.4%. Investing $100,000 here could give you 10 years, around $401,500. 30 years, a jaw-dropping $6.13 million. Number 1, Fidelity MSCI Information Technology Index ETF, ticker the ultimate tech investment covering AI, semiconductors, cloud computing, and more. Top holdings Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, making up nearly 50% of the fund. Dividend yield, 0.66%. Historical returns, average annual return of 18.67%. With $100,000,